What's going on, guys? Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps. I'm here in our shop in Henderson, Las Vegas, Henderson, Nevada, 7585 Commercial Way. I want to show you guys our capabilities. I'm going to show you everything we do from paint protection film to color change wraps, custom wraps, and commercial wraps. It's more of a generic video, but again, all of our videos are uncut, so I'm going to walk around the shop right now, show you what we got going on for the different projects. We got a Lamborghini Huracan here. We had a terrible wrap installed by another shop. Remove that wrap. I'm not going to mention the shop. I'm not even going to say the color, but we remove that wrap. And we are doing a premium quality wrap right now. We're using platinum wrapping films on this one. It is a kind of like a highlighter yellow. We're doing everything, including door jambs on this one. So as you can see, the doors are off, the wrap is off. We are now basically wrapping the entire car. I'm going to show you guys around some of the quality here so you can see the installation that he's doing. Sorry, I gotta use my finger to kind of give the camera a focus point, but he's wrapping everything. As you can see, he's even wrapped all the way in there. We got a 2-ton on the roof. On the roof, we're using 3M 2080. That's why you have that cap sheet. Full color change. This car is gonna look beautiful. Platinum wrapping films is one of my favorite brands. I've had it in I had this exact same color before on our Tesla, and it just looks beautiful. It turns heads. It doesn't fade over time. There's a lot of colors that are highlighter colors that only last 2 to 3 months. This is not a color that's gonna fade in 3 months. I had it for a year with no issues. We're gonna go over here, and then we got this Ford Mustang Shelby, I believe. So we got everything. This car was red. We installed a Hexus blue on here. We powder coated wheels orange, and we installed a couple of racing stripes in orange as well to match. It's a Cobra. There you go. Sorry about that. For the ones of you that do know about this car more than me, obviously, because I'm an ignorant. This is a Cobra. This is signature over there from Shelby. We got the 2 racing stripes, dual racing stripes, and we're gonna have some Shelby or Cobra decals installed tomorrow. Powder coated the wheels, etc. Over there, obviously, we have a food truck. As you can see, we're doing a full body color printed custom wrap, commercial wrap, if you will. This Tesla Model Y is getting a full body stealth paint protection film installation by XPEL. And as you can see, obviously this is nowhere completed, but we are wrapping all the edges, and obviously we ceramic tinted all the windows. And that is the process on this one. So you got the hood done, you got the whole passenger side and driver's side completed. This one, kind of a bad story. I wish I would have recorded the video before, but I will do my best to show. So this is what happens when you go to a shop that doesn't know what they're doing. So this lady, bless her heart, Debbie, was recommended to another place, and she went to get paint protection film. You should be able to see the cut marks there. So this PPF, 1 wasn't wrapped around, 2 it was lifted, 3 looked just terrible. They had stretch marks, they had dust, they had lifting edges, but more importantly, they cut the paints everywhere. The paint's cut everywhere. I can show you spots where the paint's cut. So she brought the car to us, hoping to obviously get the PPF removed. Look at that. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but you can literally feel it. So there's a cut right there on the paint by our friends at that other shop. Cut the paint. So we removed the entire PPF. We're gonna be polishing and kind of prepping that area and doing a new paint protection film because it just looks terrible. We're gonna do a full body color PPF in this case to cover up the scratches, etc. Look how beautiful, just for a second, it looks right now, the Cobra. Up there we got our production area, so our installer, Young, is up there. He's gonna be working on this food truck, so he's cutting up the graphics. Here we have this Porsche 911 Carrera GT3, and we're doing a custom wrap. So as you can see, again, full print in-house, custom wrap. It's got purple, it's got black, it's like a camo wrap, getting it fully done on it. Our installers are working on it as we speak. It is lunchtime. I normally record a lot of these videos around lunchtime, so there's not a ton of traffic on the shop. And his Corvette CEO6, he's getting a satin black wrap. As usual, we always have commercial vehicles. Big shout out to Legacy Air. They're a cooling and heating company here in Las Vegas. We're doing all their fleet with their new graphics and rebrand. And then last but not least, we have more vehicles outside, but this is where I'll end my video. We have this Range Rover, I believe it's an Evo Q, smaller one, doing a full body clear paint protection film. So we got our installer Tony cutting the PPF film over there. As you can see, and as I show in other videos, we wrap all the edges, so What Tony's cutting there is something that you wouldn't see, but because we wrap the film around inside the fender flare, that's where he's doing his trims right now. So this car is getting a full body paint protection film. It's a beautiful color. I believe it's a nardo gray or similar to it. So customer wants to protect it because they drive to, I believe, Arizona a lot, and they chose to contact us. Again, guys, Purple Flare Wraps, located in a 7585 Commercial Way. If you got a vehicle, you want to tint the windows just to give you some privacy. You want to tint the windows to give you privacy and heat rejection. You got a box truck, you want to wrap it with a commercial wrap, or you simply want to change the color of your car. You want to protect it with paint protection film. All those services, give us a call. We would love to take care of you, and I guarantee you the best possible customer service and the best quality of installation.